So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can save the screenshot of the workspace that you have been created, or that the project on which you have been working on Blender, the 3D models that you have been creating. You can take the screenshot of that whole workshop in just inside the Blender software. Only the Blender provides you the feature to save the screenshot. So all you need to do is first just simply open the Blender on whatever device that you've been using it. For example, if I open it on my Windows PC, now this is the home page of Blender. You all have been familiar with this if you are using the Blender. Now to save the screenshot of this workspace, I just simply need to click on this button of window on the left window. You're gonna see on the left most top corner, you're gonna find 4 or 5 options, and which one say this one says window. Just simply click there, and here you're gonna see this option of save screenshot. Just simply click there, and when you click there, now saving window will pop right in front of you, from where you need to browse and select the location of which you want to save this screenshot that you have been created. And once you hit this save screenshot button, now the PNG format of this particular window has been saved, so you can reuse them or you can share them on whatever platform you want. So by this method you can easily take the screenshot of the or save the screenshot of the workspace on Blender. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.